Welcome to Scout. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create custom dashboards using MCP Builder. Start by navigating to Agent Ops and selecting MCP Builder. In the Library tab, you'll find pre-built MCP connectors. Simply click the plus icon to add an MCP to your collection. Some MCPs may require authentication details before they can be added. You can also create your own MCP by clicking Create MCP. Enter the MCP name, base URL, and authentication type. Then, discover an OpenAPI specification from a URL or upload a specification file. Once configured, click Save MCP. Open an MCP and select the API you'd like to use. Click Execute to generate the API response. Once the JSON response is displayed, click Build Dashboard. Enter a dashboard name and select the APIs you want to include. Click Create to begin generating widgets. Once complete, the generated widgets will appear in Dashboard Builder. You can also add widgets manually by clicking Add Custom Widget. Enter the widget title, select an MCP connector and tool, then provide a prompt. Click Add Widget to place it directly into your dashboard. You can also add widgets through the Explore Catalogue option. Browse the widget collections library and select one or more widgets. Click Add to Dashboard, then choose an existing dashboard or create a new one. The selected widgets will be added automatically. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Scout tutorial.